Hi everyone, today we'll look through the IGCSE trigonometry question using sine rule and cosine rule. And I will show you how to handle the obtuse angle that most of the students get wrong. So here is GCSE exam question. It's worth 4 marks. We need to calculate the obtuse angle BDC. So to find the obtuse angle BDC, we have to use that triangle. Since we know 2 sides and 1 angle from the triangle BDC, we need to use the sine rule to find the obtuse angle. So do you remember the sine rule? The formula for sine rule is A over sine A equals to B over sine B. Don't forget that we need to put the angles right next to the sine. Now we have to apply sine rule to that orange triangle BDC. So don't forget we need to use the pairs. So 12.1 over sine 47 is equal to 15.8 over sine BDC. Using cross multiplication, 12.1 times by sine BDC is equal to 15.8 times by sine 47. Rearrange the equation, we get sine BDC is equal to 15.8 times by sine 47 over 12.1. In order to get the reference angle, we need to use the sine inverse. So sine inverse bracket 15.8 times by sine 47 over 12.1. Input those values into the calculator, then you get 72.744 degree. So this is the reference angle, and since we have to get the obtuse angle of BDC, we need to subtract the reference angle from 180 to get the obtuse angle. Therefore, angle BDC is equal to 180 minus 72.744 degree, which is 107.256. Round off to 1 decimal place, then the result is 107.3 degree. So this is the obtuse angle BDC, which is the answer for today's question. So this is the typical type of GCSE exam question that comes up almost every year. If you're using the sine rule to get the obtuse angle, don't forget you have to subtract from 180. New math lessons uploaded every Thursday. Subscribe and keep preparing your exams with me.